what trades we took last week, kind of like our regular markets review. And I'm here with
Gospel. So we're going to be looking at the trades we took. We took the USDCAD, we took the US30, and we also took the pound yen. So we're going to go over the trades, like from our entries, how we manage the trade, and straight up to our take profits, right? And also give some market outlooks, right? So guys, let's jump right to the chart, right?
Yeah, so guys, we'll begin with the pound yen, then we'll move on to the US30, and then we'll finish up with the USDCAD. So beginning with the pound yen.
So let's dive into the GBPJPY. So if you watched our last series, like previous recap, we pointed out a demand level that we're expecting buys on the GBPJPY last week, right? But if you followed up the pound yen, you see that the price was just consolidating the whole of last week. There was no definite move, to just up and down, up and down, up and down. So let's give like a rundown down to the 4-time frame. We're going to see, we're going to spot, okay, this is the demand level we spotted last week, right? Yep, this is the demand level. So we're going to see that price has been consolidating from 4th of November till the 12th. So it's been scrappy, no definite movement, but regardless, it was moving to the downside, so somehow making lower highs and all that, yeah, and lower lows. So if you go over to the hourly time frame, right? If you go over to the hourly time frame, you will spot this move to the upside. We actually had a move on this pair last week. We engaged the buy around this level, long position. Engaged the buy around this level, and that was stops around here, right? And that was the take profits, the first take profit that we posted on the last recap. But price moved halfway and went back down. Okay, we were stopped out on our break even around this level, this previous high. We had the break even around this level. So this price made this high, we had a break even here, came and stopped us out on the break even. So no definite move. Pound yen was actually scrappy last week. Yeah. So right now it's making lower highs and lower lows. So we're expecting a push to the upside or a push to the downside. Whichever way is more like prices in an indecision mode. You get is in an indecision mode. So we're expecting a push to the upside or a push to the downside. So we know what to look out for, whether it buy or it sell. So on GBPJPY, we are waiting for market reaction on it. Okay, so we're going over to the US30, right? So the US30, if you can go back to last week Monday, we posted on our Instagram. You should do well to follow us, right? You should do well to follow us. So we posted on Instagram around this level. If you go down to the 30 minutes time frame, we spotted a supply level around here. As you can see, price tested it for the first time. Yes, we also spotted a take profit level right here also. So as price tested this level for the first time around here, we expected to push to the upside, push to the downside, then they retested this level itself.
More like a fake out.
Yeah. So that was it for on Monday. I posted it on Instagram. So let's play. So go about it. So as you can see, price made the actual push to the upside, for that push to the downside. Then we tested this level, had our entries around here, stop loss around here, now take profits right here. So watched price to move, got us triggered price had a nice liquidity thing. Volatility came to the market. Just now, this is level and okay. Boom. So this we move to the downside, push to the downside, then our take profit got smashed after this move. Yep. So after the push to the downside and our take profit got smashed, it was around a 25 pip take profit, 20 to 25 pip take profit. You know, most people may call it 250 pips based on your broker. You understand? So we'll call it 25 pips here. So we had this push to the downside. We also indicated like the second take profit around this level too. And it's been smashed already. Before the week got. So for US30 into the new week, I think we'll have a fresh outlook to this. Right?
This new week, we're still bearish, so we're looking out for more sell opportunity. Going to this new week.
So as we're looking out for further sell opportunities, let's dive into the last one. That's the USDCAD, right? So this is a very interesting one because we actually engaged this trade on Wednesday when the unemployment rate was released. Yes, when the unemployment rate was released for the US dollar, right? So we had a big supply level. We go down to the daily time frame. Yes, we had a supply level around here, right? And the supply level around here, and let's go down to the 4 time frame. Yeah, as you can see, the supply was tested for the first time. Price approached the supply for the first time around this level and rejected right here, down here. So this is the second time to the level. So we anticipated a sell, had our take profits. We had a demand, a fresh demand around this level, right? So we anticipated a sell. More like we took around 50 pips for this trade, around 50 pips. So we did a sell around this level. So we'll pick our entry, go down to the 30 minutes time frame. Pick our entry around this level, right? As you can see, the market has been scrappy before this push. Yeah, very choppy market. Yeah. So we engaged the sell, engaged our shots around here, had our stop loss just at this top, right? Just at this top, and take profits down here. So what happened was before the release of the unemployment rate, we are already in profits and we are smiling and all that, but after the release, price spiked up, almost got our SL. As you can see, it was this close. Yes, it was this close, almost got our stop loss, but it's reversed. This is a very strong level, very strong supply, needs to get to the demand. So supply from supply to demand, from demand to supply, that's just it. So price came to our demand, they picked orders and kept moving higher. So right now, I think we also have like an outlook for this pen.
Yeah, we're gonna be bullish going into this new week. Looking out for buys, basically for this USDCAD.
So we're looking out for buys. Probably we see a further push to the downside. I think more like one push to the downside, then a push to the upside. So thereabout.
So guys, that's it for this week market review. So do well to follow us on all our social media platforms, and also you can get this analysis before they actually play out. And please, if you found value, please leave a like, subscribe, and if you have questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And we'll see you in our next video. Trade safe. Go.